Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so upgrades don't fail. Make sure app installer is present and then run Winget version to verify the client. Once done, update the repository metadata with Winget source update so you have the latest catalog. Next, list available updates using Winget Upgrade all verbose. This shows packages and possible conflicts. If you see missing rights, run an elevated terminal. Otherwise, you are ready to choose immediate upgrade commands. You proceed to execute upgrades by choosing the scope. For everything, run Winget Upgrade all. For a single app, use Winget Upgrade Package ID. Once you start, monitor the output for prompts about agreements or install switches. If installers support quiet modes, add silent or accept package agreements to avoid interaction. Make sure to run in an elevated prompt when system-level packages require admin rights. After a batch completes, rerun Winget Upgrade to confirm no residual updates remain. You wrap up by verifying success. Run Winget List to confirm updated versions and reboot if any installers requested it, because some changes need a restart to take effect. Once rebooted, run Winget Upgrade again to ensure a clean state. If an upgrade fails, inspect the verbose output or log entries for the failing package, then retry that single package with elevated rights or add vendor-specific install flags. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the problematic package as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.